Hey there, beautiful people. If you're tired of constantly searching for the perfect glue that dries quickly and holds permanently, then I've got just a thing for you. Introducing Scotch Super Glue Gel, a 2-pack of 0.07 ounces tubes that will change the way you approach all your DE projects. Not only does this super glue dry quickly with a permanent hold, but it's also incredibly versatile. It's great for a wide range of surfaces including wood, metal, rubber, vinyl, leather, ceramics, plastic, glass, and more. The convenient 2-pack means you get double the value for all your adhesive needs. But wait, there's more. The easy-to-use gel formula makes application a breeze, and the compact size means easy storage for all your crafting and repair needs. Whether you're a seasoned DE enthusiast or just looking to tackle a few small projects around the house, Scotch Super Glue Gel is the perfect addition to your toolkit. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to weak and unreliable adhesives and hello to the dependable strength of Scotch Super Glue Gel. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing product today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your projects to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews and DE tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.